Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about differentiation between economics and finance, and perhaps we are going to discuss about the what is the relation of economics to finance. This is a major thing because it's the basic thing which we need to understand. And today I bought two examples to have more clarity on economics and finance so that you will able to understand. The first thing is economics. Economics deals with two aspects. One is how to earn money and how to spend money. It deals how to earn money while dealing various business activities. And another scenario, how you can able to spend your money to meet your expenditures in a disciplined way so that the economics deals and provide a guidance how to earn money and how to spend money. When it comes into finance, it deals with how to lend money and how to borrow money. And when you are dealing with finance, the lenders will follow some specific rules and regulations to provide a loan facility to the borrowers, and they will charge specific interest rates to the different borrowers according to their lending of specific amount, and borrowers look after how much amount is required for running a business activities within a given period of time. So the finance activity is related to how to lend money and how to borrow money. And thank you for watching. We have a relationship between the economics and finance. Economics provides various income sources to earn money and spend money, and finance will give a plan, proper financial plan for committing a lending and borrowing activity within a given period of time, so that economics and finance are both are interrelated each other. And thank you for watching video, and please do subscribe our channel.